Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of side hustles, specifically those that are still thriving in 2025. So, let's get started with our top 10 real side hustles that actually work in 2025. 1. Online courses. Share your knowledge and expertise with others by creating engaging online courses. 2. Freelance writing. Write articles, blog posts, and more for clients who need quality content. 3. Virtual assistant. Provide administrative support to businesses and individuals from the comfort of your home. 4. Social media management. Help businesses grow their online presence by managing their social media accounts. 5. Transcription services. Transcribe audio or video files for clients who need written content. 6. Graphic design. Create visually appealing designs for clients who need marketing materials or branding. 7. Web development. Build websites for clients who need an online presence. 8. Online tutoring. Share your knowledge and expertise with students by tutoring them online. 9. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale made. 10. Selling digital products. Create and sell ebooks, courses, or other digital products online. That's it for today's list, folks. We hope you found these side hustle ideas helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more great content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.